Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style with Jenny. Hope you all are doing well. So today I have tried a few makeup launches and I have created this particular look with those launches. So I'm super excited to share about those makeup products with you all. So let's get started with the video without any further delay. So the first product is Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter. So this is said to be the dupe of Charlotte Tilbury and Elf Halo Glow Filter. So I picked the shade Espresso and this is how the packaging looks like. It's a sleek, beautiful frosted glass packaging with this cap. Yeah, that it comes with a doe foot applicator which is medium size and this is how it looks like. So for the swatch, this is how the shade Espresso looks like. Yeah, this provides that subtle dewy glowy look to the skin. It's like no makeup look. It looks so beautiful and I have used it today on my cheeks, on my nose bridge and on my forehead chin. So I haven't used any highlighter and this is how it looks like. The blending is so super good and over that you can definitely layer makeup which doesn't disturb, and that is a very good point I have to say. Yeah, I absolutely love how lightweight it is. It provides a very sheer coverage as well. So if you just want a dewy glowy look and you don't have any imperfections, just with this one base product you can get that dewy glowy look. I absolutely love, and it did not exaggerate my skin texture, and that's the point that I absolutely love about it. So if you're looking for an affordable product that provides you that dewy glowy skin kind of a makeup look, then you can definitely give this a try. Also, you can let me know if you want me to compare the Elf Halo Glow versus this Inside Cosmetics Radiance Glow Filter. Next, I'm going to speak about our newly launched concealer. It's a recently launched concealer from Mass Cosmetics, and that has been like all over Instagram, YouTube, and everywhere. So I thought of just trying it out. It's called the Cancel Concealer, and I picked the large shade number 8. Yeah, so this is how the inner packaging looks like. Again, a beautiful frosted glass bottle packaging with a doe foot applicator. Again, a medium sized applicator which is so good and convenient to apply. Yeah, the shade Espresso, this is the shade number 8. I'm not sure about the name, and this is how the shade looks like. Yeah, it's like a perfect match to my skin tone to just correct my imperfections, hide the hyperpigmentation, acne marks and dark circles. Yeah, it gives a beautiful coverage and flawless finish. Also, I like the way that it did not dry out the skin, so you can take time to blend it out and you get that flawless look. I absolutely love the performance, the price you get, so you can definitely check them out. I guess it's just rupees around 249. For 249 you would get a beautiful high coverage concealer which is super lightweight, blendable. Yeah, I wish they could expand the shade range so even dusky deep skin tones can get to try out this concealer. Next is an internet viral foundation that I'm going to speak about, and I am speaking about Maybelline Luby Matte Foundation. Yes, guys, I finally got to try out this foundation, and I'm in the shade 330. Fortunately, it was a perfect match for me, and that's what I'm wearing it today. Yeah, it is super lightweight foundation. If it gives that skin-like finish, it is neither dewy, it's neither matte, it's somewhere in between. It gives that hydrated skin-like finish. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing it today, and I absolutely love. The blending is super easy. I wish they could bring more and expand the shade range in India. Yeah, because this is like okay, it's a quite good match for me. But if you are deeper than my skin tone, I would say it wouldn't suit you or it would turn ashy on your skin. So the formulation is amazing. I'm like, it's the top-notch gem formulation, but the shade range is quite limited in India. I wish they could have broadened it out, or I wish they could do it in future at least. Yeah, I really like that hydrating finish. It is super long lasting. It also has like SPF of 16, which is quite good, right? I really like the packaging. It comes in this beautiful glass bottle packaging and this lilac cap, and it also has a pump. It retails for around $7.99, but I got it at a discount for rupees 560, which was an amazing steal deal, and I definitely wanted to pick this out at that time, and that I did. I'm thankful for that because it works so well, and it's gonna be my go-to foundation right now. Because for the past 3 makeup looks or the videos I'm taking, I've been wearing this foundation, and I absolutely love it. Next product is about a loose powder. This is from an Indian brand, it's Chennai based brand, and it's from an influencer which is called Binti Beauty. And this is how the loose powder outer packaging looks like. Yeah, I picked the shade banana. It's called the soft focus setting powder. Yeah, so I was very intrigued to try because it is a Chennai based influencer brand that attracted me, and I've seen many good reviews about this, and I thought, yeah, if we get that filter like skin with this powder, it would be something great, right? So yeah, this is how the inner packaging looks like. It's in the shade banana, and when you open this, you have the puff here, and there's a powder you can just dispense and you can use it. So it's like good. It doesn't provide much of a coverage, so any skin tone can definitely try it out. But since it's a yellow like banana powder, it just helps to brighten the skin somewhat. Yeah, and I really like how it just blurs out your skin. Can you see? It did not even I have many open pores and large pores over here, but it is so smooth. The skin looks like skin, and it sets the makeup so well and keeps it last longer, and that's how I like it so much. So yeah, I am really liking this particular powder. This comes in a very good quantity, like 25 grams, I guess. Yeah, and it retails for 999, but for this quantity the price is definitely worth it. You can definitely give it a try, and it's great for everyday use as well. It would definitely last longer and longer because you're gonna just need a slight amount per usage. Oh my god, I'm just really in love with it. And again, as the foundation, this has become my ultimate favorite loose powder next to the verified loose powder. So yeah, you can definitely give this a try, and I absolutely love it. Next is a cream blush. It means a liquid blush. It was recently launched from one of my favorite brand, and I'm speaking about the Fair Beauty Lush Blush. So I picked the shade Lazy because I definitely wanted a beautiful purple shade blush. So I thought this was a great time to try. Yeah, this comes in this beautiful mini frosted bottle and with a white caps, and it comes with this beautiful, cute little doe food applicator. I absolutely love the packaging. It's so mini, tiny, and child friendly. So the shade looks like something like this. So this is how the shade Lazy looks like. It's a beautiful purple shade. I'm not even wearing a powder blush today, just this cream blush. And I really love this. Sorry, it's a liquid blush. So just a 3 dot, and it blends so beautiful on foundation. If you just accidentally, like I sometimes forget to apply blush and then apply powder, but sometimes after applying the powder, when I apply any liquid or cream blush, it just turns patchy. But this does not do that. It This side, on my right side, I've blended it after applying the powder, and on my left side I've applied just with the liquid base on my skin. So both side it looks equal, both side it blended so beautifully. It looks super natural. It's not overpowering the pigmentation. It's in the right way as you need in a blush, and I really love it. Even without any powder blush, this looks so beautiful, natural, and I absolutely love today's look. How it turned out, and it's gonna last all day long. I really love this blush. It's super long lasting. It's so cute, and I absolutely love it. So that's about the base makeup products that I've tried recently. Now I have one mascara, which is a brown mascara, and it is also one of my favorite brand. And I'm speaking about this Simply Numb brown mascara. It's called the Instant Lifting and Lengthening Mascara. I'm like, guys, super obsessed with it from the day I've tried. It's in the shade deep brown too, and yeah, I did not think that a brown mascara would look so beautiful on me, and I'm wearing it today. Yeah, this is so good. It comes in this very sleek black classic packaging, and the wand is so different, but it works so well. And this is how the wand looks like. It's a very thin wand, brush like wand. The bristle is so short, so it helps to just lengthen the lashes as well as provide a good volume. So this is how it looks like. It's just one layer, guys. I did not just go to 2 layers as well. It's just one layer of mascara, and it looks so beautiful. This With this wand, it's very easy to just work on your lower lashes as well, which absolutely I love. I wish I would get in it in a black shade also, but this looks so good on me. I really love it. Yeah, it's great for like soft smoky eye look. I definitely did not think of falsies after using this mascara. It's so good. It gives that beautiful, natural, voluminous lashes. Yeah, this is so good. That's the one recently launched eye makeup product that I tried. Now let's move on to lips. Again, in lips, I had a bunch of products right in front of me from Fae Beauty. I purchased 3 of the Fae lip whips. This is the outer packaging. So this is the inner packaging. So today I'm wearing the shade Nut, which is such a beautiful warm chocolate brown kind of a shade. It works so well. It is like airy, feathery, lightweight lipstick. It's so good. It transfers lightly, yeah, but it fades like evenly like a lip tint, so it definitely doesn't look awkward on your lips. So I'll just share a quick swatch. I've also swatched these in my Instagram page. I will try to post it on shorts like by next week itself, so you can definitely check them out. For now, I'm just gonna swatch these shades for you on my hand. So this is the shade Nut, Cherry and Revenge. This Revenge is such a beautiful deep red shade for deep dusky skin tone, and Cherry looks so beautiful. It's like a berry pink kind of a shade which looks so beautiful again. If you have deep skin tone, you can definitely pair it up with a beautiful dark pink lip liner, and this shade Nut looks so well on me. Yeah, I really like the shade range, the inclusivity of shades according to skin tones, because particularly they have 4 different red shades that could suit each of your skin tones. You can definitely grab a perfect red holiday shade for each of your skin tone. That's why I like this brand so much. The formulation is super lightweight. It's like so good. It transfers very slightly and it lasts pretty well, and I absolutely love it. But it does not survive much with our oily Indian meals. Other than what, it works so well and it is definitely worth a try, and I'm happy I tried these. So the last product of this video is again from Fae Beauty. It's their redefined lip liner, and I have the shade Bloodline. So this is it's a classic white packaging which is twistable. So it's like a kajal packaging, the lip pencil packaging. So this is how it looks like. Let me just show you a quick swatch. Just one swipe swatch. It is so pigmented, it is super creamy, and that's why I absolutely love it. I've used it slightly today just to show it with you, but even without lip liner, this shade looks so well on me. I really love it. It's so creamy. It's like easily smudgeable, and then apply your lipstick. It's so good. I absolutely love this. It is quite affordable, so you can definitely give these a try. I'm really liking all the new products that I've tried in today's video, so you can definitely give it a try and give it a shot. I'm sure you will thank me later. But if you're looking for a transfer proof lipsticks, this is not the one for you. But if you're looking for a good, everyday, comfortable, lightweight lipsticks, then you can definitely give this a try. These are so good, and I'm obsessed with it. So that's about it today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. Yeah, you can also check out my Instagram page, Stylefree Jenny, for more such self-care, makeup and fashion content, because I post more regularly over there. Yeah, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like to watch such long form review videos, fashion hauls, or any makeup comparison or self-care comparison videos. You can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button and the bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Until next time, bye bye.